So here's our storm windows that were put on the house probably in the 50s or sometime between 50s and now. Well, they've been on at least 45 years, we know that. So what we're doing is removing them, and then we're taking the glass out, and in some cases they have a screen in them. So we're taking that out, and then we're doing the frames with a metal primer and then painting them. You can see one over here, which we just put back. So Amy primed it after cleaning it. And then we put these back in without the screen, and then we're screwing them in with some good screws, outdoor screws. So they look pretty good.